Hello, welcome back to my magical world of math. Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply 3-digit into 3-digit number in fraction of seconds by using Vedic mathematics tricks. For example, see here, 104 multiplied by 106. So how to write the answer in fraction of seconds? Multiply 10 by the next number 11. 10 into 11 is 110 and multiply 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24. The answer is 11,024. For example, let us take 115 multiplied by 115. So, how to write the answer for this? Multiply 11 by the next number, that is 12. 12 into 11 is 132. Multiply 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25. So, the answer is 13,225. How I'm doing this in fraction of seconds? That I'll explain in this video. Watch the video till the end. Press the like button and subscribe my channel to get all the notifications of all my beautiful Vedic mathematics tricks. How to multiply 3-digit into 3-digit numbers. Here we are going to use a Vedic mathematics sutra or formula or trick, that is Antyor Dashakepi. So what are the conditions to multiply this? See, unit place number added up to 10. So units place number should be added up to 10. Means 3 plus 7. That is equal to 10. And other numbers must be same. So then we take it as two numbers suppose. 11 is one of the number and 3 is other number. 11 and 11. Same number. So that is the condition. How to multiply this? Now let us see. See, 11 into 11. Multiply this with the next number. 11 into 12. That will be 132. And multiply 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. So the answer is 13,221. And let us see this now. So 122 multiplied by 128. First, we should see whether the given condition will apply for this or not. Yes, it is holds good for the given numbers. So, what is the condition? Units place number added up to 10 and other numbers should be same. So, that is the showing. So, we can use this Antyor Dashakepi for this number. So, what is the number now? 12. 12 should be multiplied by 13. Next number. So 12 into 13. We can do it in the easiest way. See, 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So it is 156. And multiply 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 15,616 is the answer. Let us see some more example for this to write the answer in one step. Now we can see the next some more examples. Okay. 109 multiplied by 101. So what is the condition? Multiply the number other than the units place by the next number. So here we have 10 and 10. Multiply with the next number, that will be 11. 11 into 10 is 110. 9 into 1. So that will be, write it as 0, 9. So the answer is 11,009. See the next one. So condition applies. So that we can use Antyor Dashakepi. 14 into 14. No. 14 into 15. Next number. So how to multiply that easily? 14 and 15. Just now I told you a beautiful trick. Multiply 4 into 5, 20. 4 5s are 20. So 2 is in the hand, 2 is carry. Add these two, 4 and 5. 4 5s are 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1, 1 carry. 1, next you multiply this, 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 210. 210. Multiply this two. 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 21,024. and 24. This is the way we can multiply by using Antyor Dashakepi, the Vedic Math. I'm going to give you some homework. So, what are the numbers? See, the first one is 132 multiplied by 138. Okay. And the second one is 163 multiplied by 167. So, do these sums. By learning this method, it's very, very easy, and write the answer in the comment box. Like this, all my videos, I'm going to show the different types of multiplication tricks by using Vedic mathematics. Till then, bye-bye.